friends, welcome to Uttara Srini's Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Sometimes we all feel like eating Chinese food, either from a takeout place or a fancy restaurant. In today's video, we are going to share a spicy Schezwan sauce recipe. In our upcoming videos, we will be sharing some interesting and versatile recipes using this sauce. Let's take a look onto the ingredients. Finely chopped garlic, finely chopped ginger, finely chopped onion, soy sauce, vinegar, tomato ketchup, sugar, salt, and red chili flakes. This is optional. Kashmiri Red Chili. This gives nice color to our sauce. Bydagi Chili. This gives nice spiciness to our sauce. Let's begin by soaking both of the chilies in hot water for 1 hour. Cover and set it aside. Where you're using a food processor, you can also use a chutney grinder. Drain water and grind chilies using 1/4 cup of fresh water into a smooth paste. We have grinded the chili into a coarse paste because we like our sauce to have a coarse texture. Transfer and set it aside. Let's heat a pan on medium heat. Add oil. Once the oil is hot, add ginger, saute for 45 seconds. Add garlic and saute for another 45 seconds. It has been about a minute. Let's add the chopped onion and cook for 3 minutes. Add ground chili paste and saute on low heat for 2 minutes. Remember to saute on low heat. Now add 1/2 cup of water and cook the chili paste for another 3 to 4 minutes on low heat by stirring continuously. It's time to add soy sauce, vinegar, tomato ketchup, sugar, and mix well. Add salt and mix well. Cook for another 4 minutes. If you are adding chili flakes, you can add them now and stir. Cool this sauce and store it in a glass container. We can refrigerate this sauce up to a month. Always use a dry spoon for a long shelf life. Stay connected with us to learn more interesting recipes using the spicy Schezwan sauce. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!